DFW Tree Solution is your source for professional tree trimming and tree removal in Arlington, Texas, and throughout the DFW Metroplex. Our team of experts offers both residential and commercial tree services, ensuring your property remains safe, beautiful, and healthy. By combining years of specialized training, on-the-job experience, and the latest tools and technologies, our certified arborists can perform safe tree removal. If you notice a tree on your land that appears to be leaning, diseased, or dying, or if you need a tree removed for aesthetic reasons or due to other concerns, contact us immediately for a consultation. We'll assess the situation and let you know if the tree should come down or if another solution can be instituted. At DFW Tree Solution, we're more than a tree removal company. We can maintain the health of your trees with pruning, topping, trimming, and other tree care. We also provide lot clearing, stump grinding, and emergency storm cleanup. To learn more about DFW Tree Solution or to request a free consultation and estimate for superior tree services in Arlington, Dallas, Fort Worth, or the surrounding area, please give our local tree company a call at your convenience. We're here to help.